class of 2021, congratulations on your success and your academic success in a year that did present the most ridiculous challenges that any of us could have ever imagined. But, a testament to your hard work and commitment, your year produced 2 ATARs of 99.95 for the first time in over 20 years of this school's history. More than 42% of you achieved an ATAR over 90 and 5% over 99, which are really, really strong results. And they give you those opportunities to do pretty awesome things when you leave the college. I hope today marks the beginning of your relationship with the college as proud ex-students. And I hope that the values instilled in you at school will be part of you forever.
Today we celebrate the successes of our year. But before we began, we wanted to be mindful of what we meant by that. Academic successes are incredible and have an undeniable importance. They give us a reasoned and compelling voice to articulate our ideas, follow our interests, and empower us to shape our futures and our careers. Trust me, this does mean a lot to us, but we are obviously all grateful to Santa for more than our marks. Today we celebrate the fact that every graduate of 2021 is indeed intelligent, but also a compassionate, driven, and courageous woman.
Success is each small step of learning how to use that new formula, fixing that one sentence in your paragraph, feeling confident enough to put your hand up in class. When worldwide over 129 million girls are out of school, we can't downplay how crazy and amazing it is that we are blessed with such an incredible education.
Today I'd like to acknowledge the hours that you have put into your study, not just in Year 12, but over the many years. You have built skills and knowledge over your 16, 17 or 18 years that have led to the results today. And with that, I wish to acknowledge your parents and teachers who have guided, questioned and supported you along the way.